Hey guys, hoping you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruth, and if you're new here, karibu sana. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. So guys, today I have an amazing video, and I will be trying on my clothes. You get to see how I looked before and how I look right now. So I've chosen just few clothes that I think they look good on me. I don't know. So without further ado, I'll start with the one that I'm wearing. What do you think about this outfit, guys? This one. I used to wear it before when I was pregnant, and even now I can still wear it, and it's so nice because I can breastfeed so well. You can see. Yeah, so what do you think about this outfit, guys? This is my first outfit. So comment down below. So we move to the next. Guys, here comes the second outfit. Oh, it's a jumpsuit. Yeah. What do you think about this? This is the back. This is how the back looks like. Honestly, I love this outfit. I used to wear this when I was pregnant, and wow, I just love this. What do you think, guys? Honestly, for me, I love it. So guys, we move to the third outfit. Guys, are you ready for the third outfit? There it is. Actually, I wore this dress on my 24th birthday photo shoot. Yeah, I love this dress, honestly. And I think it looks good on me right now because I have some two hips. I don't know if you can see them or it's me who I can only see them. So yeah, I love this dress. Thank God it is still fit me so well. What do you think, guys? Yeah, the details. There. The back. Yeah, what do you think about this outfit? Comment down below there. Guys, we move to the next outfit.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep.
Yeah, this is the outfit. You can even see it on the photo. This one. This is the outfit. This is the dress. So you tell me before and after. But right now I can feel like I'm not comfortable because I still have a katami. So hey, I can't even breathe well. But yeah, I love the dress. I think this is my favorite dresses of all. I love it. I don't know why. So guys, what do you think about this dress? Tell me. Do you love it? Yeah. So we move to the next outfit. Here comes the next outfit.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
What do you think, guys? I think I love this dress. It's fitting me so well right now. Before it was like kind of baggy, big somehow, but now I can feel like it's fitting me well. What do you think, guys? Yeah. There is the dress. I love it. I love it, honestly. At least it can fit me. But then, can you breastfeed with this? Yeah, this one I can wear, by the way. So guys, tell me what you think about this outfit. We move to the next one. Guys, we move to the next outfit. Guys, we move to the next outfit. Here we are. I love this dress, but unfortunately it can't fit me right now. See, let's see. It's small. Do you think, guys, it will come a day that it will fit me, or I should give it away? Should I gift someone? Because honestly, I've worn this dress once, and I wore it when I went for a photo shoot because I was shooting for someone, for her brand. So I've never wore it, but I love it. What do you think? Do you think I lose weight? I don't know. I hope so. What do you think about this outfit? It gives Guys, are you all ready?
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired.
Here we are. Here is the outfit. Oh my god. I think I love it now. Before I couldn't feel it, but now, wow. Just wow. What do you think, guys? I'll attach the photo so that you compare and you tell me, did I look well before or now, because I've had some weight. Ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's fitting me so well. Wow. Can I breastfeed with this one? I don't think so. So it has to wait. I hope I won't add more weight. What do you think, guys? Comment down below there. So guys, we try on the last outfit. I have a lot of dresses, but I chose few because I don't want this video to be too long and boring. So guys, here comes the last outfit.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Wow. What do you think, guys? I used to love this outfit a lot. Ooh. But the top, it's like kind of small because of the tummy. Even here. Like, but stretcher, it just stretches. Wow, I didn't know. What do you think? But now I can't wear it as a crop top. Before I used to wear like here. Right now with this tummy, no. So what do you think, guys? Comment. What do you think, guys? So we've come to the end of this amazing video. Please tell me which was your favorite outfit, and please don't forget to subscribe, to comment and share on this video. And guys, please give me ideas of video I should do for you, and I will definitely do them for you. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.